Hello guys, so today we're going to write our first Python script. So the first thing you want to do is open VS Code. I already have it open in my case. And then you want to open a folder that you'll be working from. So if you don't have a folder, you can just create a folder and name it Python or something. So I think I already have the folder. Let's look for folder. I think I have the Python projects. So I'm just going to open and create a new folder here. Call it Python tutorial. Going to use that folder. So once click on select folder. After you selected the folder, you should open this. So after you've installed your Python, first thing you want to do is create a Python file, which is the main, which is usually the entry point of your application, main.py. So any Python file should end with py. That's the extension for Python. So you can go on. So the first application we're going to write is the Hello World application, which is the default application used in learning programming. So we're going to print out Hello World. So in Python, to print to console, you use the print. See, you use the print. So now we have our program, but how do we run it? So we need to open your terminal in the current folder. So if you open it in VS Code like this, go into terminal, new terminal, which will open in your current folder. You can see that it's opening in the current folder. And then you want to write the name of the file, which is main. But before that, you want to put py, calling your Python executor, py, and then you write the name of the main.py. Then you press enter. You can see we have our Hello World. So congratulations on running your first program. In the next lecture, we'll be looking at the variables. So kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.